Hi, my name is Nahi Sarwar. I'm a web analytics expert. I provide web analytics and digital marketing services for my client. I love to share my experience about web analytics, digital marketing, and digital skill in this channel. So learn more to subscribe my channel. So let's start our topics today.
In this video, we'll learn how to connect your Google tag ads in your website. You can see this is my Google ad account. Again, this is my Google tag code. So I want to add this code in my website. I have two websites. One is WordPress website and another is Shopify website. So if I want to add this code for WordPress or Shopify, that way is different. So first I teach you how to add the Google tag code in WordPress. Then I also teach you how to add your Google tag code in Shopify. So first you copy this code. I already copied this code. Just copy and copy this code. This is my Google tag code and come to your WordPress. First you add a plugin name WP code. You can add your Google tag code using a plugin. Just install this plugin WP code. You can see this is our plugin WP code. Just click code snippet, click here. This is our plugin code snippet. You can see if you click header and footer, you can see header and footer. If you click header option, if you want to paste this Google tag code in head section, just paste the code and save. Just save. So our Google tag code connected with my WordPress website. Or if your website is Shopify, then you come to your store option, click the store option, click here. You can see this is our running theme. You can click this three icon. You can see edit code. You click here. First you have to click theme.liquid. Click here. So you can see I already add my Google tag manager code. You can see you paste the code in the head section. You can see the head start here. So I put the code in my head section. So you just enter and paste the code here. This is our Google Ads tag code. You can see this is our Google tag code. Just now save. Just save. Google tag code is connected with your Shopify website. So if you need any kind of help about Google Analytics, Web Analytics, Facebook Pixel, conversion API, ad conversion tracking, I working for many clients around the world to provide tracking related service, digital related marketing service. So you can contact with me. I working for many clients. So please subscribe my channel, get more video. So see you next video. Bye bye.